Adventure is a mindset, not a destination. Anonymous. The only way to escape the ordinary is to explore the extraordinary. John Mixis. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. African proverb. The greatest adventure is the one within. John Mixis. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Anonymous. Traveling tends to magnify all human emotions. Peter Hogue. You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over. Richard Branson. If we were meant to stay in one place, we'd have roots instead of feet. Rachel Woolchin. Adventure isn't hanging on a rope off the side of a mountain. Adventure is an attitude that we must apply to the day-to-day obstacles in life. John Amat. The best adventures are the ones that make your heart race and your soul sing. John Mixis. Because in the end, you won't remember the times you spent in the office or mowing your lawn. Climb that goddamn mountain. Jack Kerouac. The man who loves walking will walk further than the man who loves the destination. Sal Di Stefano. An adventure a day keeps the routine away. John Mixis. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Confucius. Until you step into the unknown, you don't know what you're made of. Roy T. Bennett. Jobs fill your pockets, but adventures fill your soul. Jamie Lynn. You can't control the past, but you can control where you go next. Kirsten Hubbard. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Christopher Robin. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. George Bernard Shaw. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Edmund Hillary. There are northwest shortcuts to any place worth going. Beverly Sills. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. I am not the same, having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world. Mary Ann Radmacher. A mind that is stretched by a new experience can never go back to its old dimensions. Oliver Wendell Holmes. It feels good to be lost in the right direction. Anonymous. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. André Gide. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Helen Keller. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. Mark Twain. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Michael Jordan. All we have to decide is what to do with the time given to us. Gandalf, the Lord of the Rings.